What's up, guys? Welcome to Built. Today we are working on our LS-powered Datsun 620 and we are building a firewall. On top of that, we are going to be building a not building a steering wheel, kind of. We've got a steering wheel. It's actually pretty sick. Let me go get it.
Steering wheel adapter.
Yeah, so we got a quick release for our steering wheel because a lot of you guys know that our steering wheel has to come off for the cab to lift. So we got a quick release, cool little thing right there. And we got us a Grip Royal. It's kind of hard to do. Hey, there you go. We got a Grip Royal steering wheel as well. And we're really stoked about that. It looks awesome. Not sponsored. Maybe I shouldn't tell you what it is. It's okay. Grip Royal, if you're watching this, hook us up. We got a bunch of cars. All right. And then also we're going to be working on our gauge cluster as well. I've got the actual cluster here, so we'll start working on tabs and stuff for that. But the big thing is we want to get this deal sealed up and ready to go. We had a lot of comments last week about the floor not actually being done. Sorry about that. The tubing took longer than we thought it would. This week, we're going to do it. I'm speaking it. We haven't done it yet, so I'm hoping that it actually works. Also, one more big thing. This is my 10K shirt. I made this when we hit 10,000 subscribers, and this week we hit 200,000 subscribers. It is insane to think about, like absolutely crazy. So thank you so much. If you are one of the 200,000, you guys are awesome. It means a ton to me that you've chosen to subscribe to this channel, especially for those of you who have joined and have taken on that responsibility of the 99-cent membership. It's awesome. Thank you so much. Love that crew as well. If you want to join, there's a join button right down there. For everybody else, consider subscribing, consider joining this crazy journey. We are building stuff and we have no idea what we're doing. But anyway, we're going to continue not knowing what we're doing and trying to figure it out. Today, have a watch, have a see, have a look-see, have a gander.
Gander.
That's all I got.
So most of you have seen that the cage really barely clears right here. So even if we have a quick disconnect, we don't have any space. And with this little homemade adapter, plus the quick disconnect tub, there's just no way it's going to clear. And that's the whole point of us getting the quick disconnect. So we've got to figure out a solution for that. Alright guys, I got this quick release hub pushed back as far as I can get it. So let's see. I haven't tested it yet. Let's find out if this thing clears.
So that was way harder than we thought it would be. We definitely need like a slip roller or something to be able to make this sweeping curve like this out of this metal. So we've got some dents and stuff in it. For the bottom, it's honestly kind of okay. Like, we don't mind that much. We would like for it to be pretty. If it bothers us later, we'll deal with it then. But for now, we're going to keep moving and keep trying to figure this process out. We hope that we find a better solution than this when we get to the actual interior. But you know, we'll see. Before anything though, we're gonna have to lower this thing back down and make sure that we still clear the transmission with the added sheet metal. We think that it will. I guess we'll find out very soon. Let's do it. So I know we're doing a good bit of hyperlapse in this video. That's on purpose. We want to knock as much work out as possible. So bear with us on that front. The good news is you should be seeing a lot of stuff get done in this one. First, we're going to check out how this floorboard feels. Well, that is a nice sight. Oh. Haha! Oh, that is awesome. You can see our little tunnel right here. This will be what protects us from that thing exploding. Chase is welding. So we'll do another one on this side. I've already got it cut out. We're gonna try to bend it off of the car so we don't get as many dents and stuff in it like we did with this one, but overall, this is cool. Coming right together. All right, back to work, more templates. So this is Chase's metal brake Mark II. Mark I did not work out. We did not build it correctly. We watched a few videos and realized that this bending up kind of brake would work better, and I think it's gonna work out pretty well.
Yeah, drop that piece in there. So what we've got is this piece to actually clamp the metal down, a piece of angle welded on, or used for everything hinges, and just bend up. I mean, it's super simple.
Yeah, when those hinges that we used on the truck worked so well, we went ahead and ordered another set, and it's good because we were able to make this without going to the store at all. It's pretty awesome. So now we are going to try to bend some sheet metal so that we don't get the same situation that we got with the first bent piece of sheet metal on the Firewall. And I think it's going to go pretty well. This will be the mirror of the one we did earlier, so hopefully it works.
I hope it's not a mirror.
I hope it's like one of those mirrors that makes you look better. Like a filter on Instagram. Alright, so the metal brake has reached its third form. Mark III is what we're going to call it. It works well, but we didn't like having to do both of the clamps. So Chase had an idea that fixes that problem. And the coolest part about this is with this hinge, it's still removable. So if you take that off, you can lift it up and slide it off the hinge. And we still have a pretty decent amount of workspace on our table, which is pretty awesome. And that is our sheet metal brake. Total investment?
About 15 bucks.
15 bucks. These hinges are about $5 a piece. So $15 and then maybe what, $4 in scrap?
Maybe.
Maybe $4 scrap. We're gonna do a better handle on Mark IV, but we don't have the stuff we need to make that yet. So for now, that angle is our handle. We'll do 2 handles like in a regular brake. Alright, this is our little leg rest area. You can see we have this recess right here. Now I have not tested this to see if the cap still goes down. It should, but you never know with this thing. So we're going to run the cap down real quick, and then I think we'll move to this side. This is where we are going to end today. This sheet metal stuff took us a little bit longer than we thought mainly because we had to build a metal brake, but we have one now, which is pretty awesome, and it works beautifully. So we're gonna keep moving on this Firewall stuff, but we were talking and we're getting a little bit tired of doing just the interior stuff every single week. So what we're gonna do is keep moving forward with stuff on the build to keep you guys excited about it, to keep us excited about it, and get on the road to making this thing run again. And we'll keep doing this in the background. So you'll see time lapse of us doing the Firewall throughout the next few weeks as we fill it in and start working on the interior, but we don't want it to get too boring. So we're gonna move to some more stuff next week that aid in getting this thing to actually move under its own power again. Very excited about that. The steering wheel clears great. We are so stoked on how it came out. The fact that we can lift this thing up and down with very little modification is amazing because we thought we were gonna have to cut everything apart to get it to go up and down without or with the quick release hub on there. So that's incredible. The secret word of the week is pivot. P-I-V-O-T. Put pivot in your comment if you want us to know that you watched the whole thing. For you guys that have watched the entire video, thank you so much. It makes a huge difference in getting our videos surfaced and getting people to see this content. So it really makes a big difference in how the channel performs. If you want to help out more with the channel, then we do have a join option. It's right here below me now. And you can click that join button. It's 99 cents a month. That goes to the builds. It goes to the channel. It allows us to do things like build this thing, do the budget builds like the C10. It allows us to give cars away like the Audi and the minivan that we gave away just a couple months ago. And it allows us to do everything else that we need to do to make this channel great. It also helps us stay alive. So it buys us food and drinks and things. So it really does make a huge difference. We've got 87 members already, which is incredible. So stoked about it. So if you would like to support Bill in that way, go ahead and hit that join button, and we would love to see you on the crew. I think that's all that I've got. Chase, you got anything? Nope, Chase is just ready to work on that steering wheel. Hopefully it's done and you guys have already seen it. It's a bunch of Inception stuff here. All right, we will see you guys on Tuesday.